HairExtension Technology Company Limited is a comprehensive Chinese factory that integrates research and development, production, and sales. Our innovative We Light Hair Extension Kit has successfully secured multiple patents, highlighting our cutting-edge innovation in the field of hair extensions. Our products have also earned international recognition by passing authoritative certifications such as CEFCC ROHS, CPMP, and UKCA. These certifications stand as a testament to the quality and reliability of our products. With this innovation and excellence, we have successfully attracted wholesalers from over 30 countries to partner with us, collectively promoting the White Hair Extension Kit to markets across the globe. Additionally, our company also supplies 100% human hair extensions. All raw materials of hair extensions products meet ethical sourcing standards. Premium materials, combined with exceptional craftsmanship, enable us to deliver a full range of high-end